Every time you leave the house, you're under attack. Find out what invisible pollutants are doing to your skin. I'm going to tell you exactly what pollution is doing to your skin, what simple but crucial measures you can take to significantly limit your exposure, and how to know if your skin has already been damaged by pollution. It's not a death sentence if you notice these 5 signs of pollution damage on your skin. Everything can be solved. So I'm going to teach you how to make changes to your daily routine that will really impact your skin and save it from the invisible poison in the air. From the age of 20 until now, 25, I've been traveling in public transport day in and day out. So I've seen these changes personally in my skin. But since the last month, daily I've been taking these protective measures. So make sure to watch closely and save your skin too. Think you've tried everything for your acne? You're probably missing out on this invisible enemy. I've made a lot of videos documenting my acne journey. It's something I was constantly dealing with, and it's ridiculous to think I didn't notice the solution that was in front of me the whole time. Think about this for a moment. If you live in any metro city in India, what do you see when you look out of literally any window? Grey skies, garbage on the streets, and of course, construction everywhere. There are 3 different construction projects on my street alone. I hear the drilling when I leave for work in the morning, and when I come back home, I see their trucks carrying blocks of concrete and dispensing dust freely as they go. In fact, there used to be a flower garden in my building which has now fully wilted. If that isn't a direct representation of what pollution is doing to my skin, I don't know what is. Before I tell you how to successfully block out the pollutants, first understand what they are actually doing. Your skin has millions of tiny holes on its surface, which you can't see of course, but they're big enough for those invisible particles of pollution to enter through. Once these particles clog your pores, they basically poison your skin from the inside. When I learned about this, I finally connected the dots. Acne is caused by your pores being clogged. And guess what clogs up your pores? Pollution. Here's a step-by-step on how to use a cosmetic bandage on your skin. I combined my knowledge of makeup, 5 years of creating beauty content, and some guidance from my dermatologist to come up with this solution. The last time I visited my dermat, we were tackling my acne that had recurred. And during our conversation, she had one question that really stood out. How often are you cleaning your skin? This doesn't just mean washing your face. Cleaning your skin means protecting your pores. What are you gonna do if you fall over tomorrow and scrape your knee? Will you just let it fester out in the open? No, you'll fight back your tears and apply Savlon, how much ever it may burn, and then seal it with a bandage. Don't stop watching here because that was definitely not the solution. Please don't apply Dettol or Savlon to disinfect your pores. Instead, apply a cosmetic bandage on your skin. Primer keeps your oiliness contained by creating a barrier on your skin. It's kind of like a locked door. If you can't go out, they also can't come in. You see where I'm going with this? Apply a silicone-based primer as the last step of your skincare routine every time you leave the house. Now your pores have a smooth, invisible layer of silicone that acts like a bouncer, denying the pollutants entry to your skin. Do you know what happens when you rub your eyes? I found out and regretted years of this bad habit. So I deeply relate with this one meme. That moment when you accidentally open the front camera. What is it that's so shocking about seeing my own face? Is it the fact that the way I used to look without makeup is totally different to how I look like without makeup now? I started analyzing my skin after this and came to realize these 5 things have been damaged because of pollution. So I have this terrible habit of constantly rubbing my eyes. And I started noticing that my eye region gets especially ticklish and irritated when I come back home from work. With everything I now know about pollution and particles from construction work, I can draw this conclusion. My tear ducts and the thin skin around my eyes is constantly collecting all these irritating particles, which makes me want to rub my eyes. The action of me rubbing my eyes is actually causing these 2 harmful things. First, it's damaging those tiny delicate veins around my eye, which swell up after this, causing them to look red. And in Indian melanated skin, that looks brown, like dark circles. And secondly, it's pushing around those harmful pollutants all around near my eye and even inside it, because of which I can even start tearing up. And that completes the vicious cycle of inviting pollutants into my eye. My own unorthodox and not scientifically backed up solution is this. I apply mascara or a light under eye creamy concealer, if only to remind myself not to rub my eye. Now this isn't a solution for the pollutants. In fact, after applying mascara, you have to clean your skin carefully. But this one action controls my urge to rub my eyes, which is the root cause of dark circles. What if I told you there's actually a way to see the dirt coming out of your pores? I can explain why pollution damage causes acne. I already did so a minute ago in this very video. As for blackheads, these are direct blockages in your pores that gather dirt and turn black over time. There was a viral cleansing technique from K-beauty that was popular a while back, oil cleansing. This would actually work perfectly to deeply clean your pores after pollution damage. This is a gentle and deeply hydrating form of pore cleansing. And unlike its counterpart, exfoliation, this is actually something that you can do every single day. If your immediate concern is, I can't oil my skin every day, I already have oily skin, won't this clog my pores? Listen, your pores are already clogged, especially if you have oily skin, which is quick to trap dust and pollutants. You need this more than anyone else. What oil cleansing does is it dissolves the dirt deep inside your pores. But in order to do this, you need to keep going at it in circular motions for quite some time. Some people even see the dirt actually come out. After this, wipe off all the excess oil on your skin with a damp face towel and follow that up with a foaming face wash. Now that's an actual deep, clean dirt excavation on your skin. Your skin is aging faster than it should. And you probably know the cause by now, but can you reverse it? What about the rest, like deep wrinkles, dark spots, and loose skin? These rapidly age your appearance. But thankfully, these are something that there are 1,000 products in the market to treat. To understand how to treat, know why these specific problems occur in the first place. All of these are directly linked to your skin's protective barrier, which pollutants break down by breaking down collagen. And a lack of collagen means an increase in aging. There are many more things I could tell you to do throughout your day, but honestly, I'm scared to make this video even longer. Comment below routine if you want an extensive all-day schedule of everything you can do to protect your skin from pollution. I'm warning you now only, there are a lot of things in here that you might feel too lazy to do, but trust me, these are what's gonna save your skin. The next time you catch your reflection in your front camera and don't remember how you aged 10 years in just 5, remember, this isn't your natural skin's aging process. It's something the horrible air around us is accelerating. Now use everything you learned today to protect yourself, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.